D.H. Baggum's Circus of Fear. You made it! We got the first walkthrough for you of a brand new house at Howl O Scream, Busch Gardens Tampa. Walking into D.H. Baggum's. Now we're just going into like the facade area. You can see like there's already a scare actor out here at the front.
Oh, hi, how are you?
Welcome to the circus.
What kind of acts are we gonna see inside the circus?
Find out.
All right.
Enjoy the show. You'll really get into it.
Oh, I love that. You have a new house this year with D.H. Baggum. Can you give like a little bit of a backstory for this house?
I can. This is a Depression-era circus that is down on its luck, and the owner, D.H. Baggum, is trying his best to get some more attention, get some more guests attending his circus. So he's added a freak show, but the catch is you might end up as one of his freaks.
Oh, I felt like a freak. That's good. Well, she said they were hiring when we first came in, the one at the ticket booth.
There's also a little bit of an Easter egg with the name as well. So for any long-time Howl O Scream fans, the DH is a callback to Dark Heart's Fear Fair.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, you look like a Ghostbuster.
And with your right this way. Join us.
Oh, dude, yeah, that's hard. Wait, we made it like 2 feet into the house. Oh, what do they have, a lion in here? Oh no, Baggums?
Do I have to go in there?
Yeah, you have to. Yes, you have to. Oh, she's like a.
Welcome.
Oh, hello. Oh, she's a fortune teller.
Enjoy the last show of your life.
I see death in your future.
Are you doing okay?
Good.
Oh, where was that? Oh, dude. Oh, that one is so good.
Stop it.
Oh, please. That was amazing.
Hurry!
Oh.
Hurry! Step right up!
Hello.
Cotton candy?
Oh, it's a game of chance.
You'll have to pay a quarter or an arm and a leg. Your choice. The people inside are...
Welcome to a killer show.
Oh,
2 scoops before your final act. Don't eat the ice cream.
oh, you ate it? How many scoops do you have?
At least 2.
That's what he said.
Welcome. I just made a fresh batch. Just me.
Ooh, oh.
Try the ice cream.
Oh, I like this room.
Welcome. Welcome to the show. Welcome, Kurt. Welcome, Jesse. Oh, yes. We got a show planned.
I don't know what's happening here. What's happening in here?
You go, oh, this is gonna be one of those. Oh, it's just like a fake out. Oh.
Just yet.
Please,
Oh no!
leave.
I gotta find a key. I'll get you out of here.
Please.
Where was that one?
It's the same guy.
Oh, it's good to see you again. You're just in time for dessert.
Two scoops, please.
Yes, one of your left eye, one of your right eye.
No,
We are going to have an amazing eyeball bloody Sunday, and you're the star of the dessert. We thank you for that.
All right.
And I didn't hear a no, so I'm
They're coming for you later.
Goodbye, guys. Thank you.
Oh man.
Oh, it's so good.
It was so much fun. Did you love that?
I loved it.
That was a great house. That is an excellent.
Oh, it was so good.
Dude, it's great. What a dream. Honestly, I love the scenes where you go through and it's like you're in a sideshow act. So there's like multiple stages. The mirror scene is probably one of the best because it's a nice misdirection in the first very safe room, and then the second part, and then of course Bunchy, scare actors, how can you not enjoy that? Coupled with a great storyline. A lot of people should not eat the ice cream here. That's I think the major moral of the story. Mel, do you have any thoughts on the house?
No, I'm still shaking, but it was amazing.
We're going to be covering all of the houses as well as the merch and food, so make sure you take a look at this video right here for some more Howl O Scream Tampa fun.